Introducing the Festive Kaleidoscope box die sets from Tonic Studios. Create stunning handcrafted boxes effortlessly with our new Kaleidoscope box die sets. Mix and match side panels with lid and base dies to create a vast range of different size and shape boxes. Our latest launch of this best-selling range features triangular shaped boxes and a distinctly Christmas themed wall panel set. Kaleidoscope boxes are ultra versatile with multiple designs available for every panel size and every lid and base. Never create the same box twice. Launching Monday 30th of July with Jodie Johnson at 10 AM only on Achanda.